Stop manually copying and pasting messages, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically send WhatsApp messages directly from Google Sheets. First, make sure your Google Sheet is set up correctly, with columns for phone numbers, names, and the personalized messages you want to send. Ensure phone numbers include the country code. Now, head over to Aisensy and navigate to the Google Sheet integration section. You'll usually find this in the integrations or automation settings. Click on the Integrate Google Sheet button. You'll be prompted to grant Aisensy access to your Google account. Choose the account associated with your Google Sheet and authorize the necessary permissions. Next, map the columns in your Google Sheet to the corresponding fields in Aisensy. This tells Aisensy which column contains the phone numbers, names, and message content. Create a WhatsApp template message within Aisensy. Use variables like name to dynamically insert data from your Google Sheet into the message. Make sure you get your template approved by WhatsApp. Before sending to your entire list, send a test message to yourself or a colleague to ensure everything is working correctly. Verify the message is personalized and formatted as expected. Once you're satisfied with the test, you can start the campaign or schedule the automation to send messages to all the phone numbers in your Google Sheet. Track your results. Aisensy provides analytics on message delivery rates, open rates, and other engagement metrics, helping you optimize your outreach strategy. Now you've successfully automated personalized messages, saving time and boosting efficiency.